Thursday morning, everyone. We're tracking a very active weather pattern here with a little bit of everything. The next really 24 hours, we've got thunderstorms, we've got spring temperatures, we've got winter temperatures, and snow flurries as well. So a lot to track this morning, though. We're getting a bit of a break from the active weather. Last night, we had up to an inch of rain across the area, so there likely is a lot of ponding of water this morning. So just be mindful as you're heading out, especially those typical spots here, those trouble spots that we see. It could certainly have that standing water, but we're getting a break right now. And we're actually going to see a lot of today fairly dry. This morning we slowly dry out. Now the next couple of hours, especially north and west of Lima, we may see some patchy fog. So Van Wert, Paulding, up toward Ottawa, Defiance. Can't rule out some fog this morning, but then we're going to get enough mixing with an increasing breeze here as the warm front lifts through. We're going to see temperatures warm up. You can see that break in the activity here to our west. And then we've got this potent system to the west of us, this upper low. And as that swings east this afternoon, it will kick off a new round of rain and thunderstorms, and the activity will just kind of pop up over us. It's not really a line of storms that'll be tracking in from the west. It's going to just kind of pop up right as soon as it starts to reach the Ohio border. So again, it's going to be all about timing and everything as that develops this afternoon. So this morning, a few sprinkles out there for your morning commute, but improving conditions expected as we go throughout the coming hours. And then for your evening commute, certainly is going to be interesting as we see that line of showers and some thunderstorms roll through. Brief heavy rain, very gusty winds as it rolls through as well. Not a typical weather day at all for January. In fact, the only severe risk in the whole U.S. is right here in the Buckeye State. So from Lima to Columbus is kind of the heart of the severe risk today with that slight risk. And then we've got the marginal risk where we're likely going to still see some gusty showers, but not as confident for those areas to get in on a more significant severe weather chance because of the lack of sunshine for areas to the north today. So the severe weather risk here, the best or the greatest concern is for some isolated damaging winds as the storms roll through. But, you know, we can't rule out an isolated tornado, and I know that's kind of hard to fathom in January. We had some tornadoes on Monday in Iowa with temperatures only in the upper 40s and low 50s. So you can get in these setups a brief spin-up tornado when you have so much wind and the turning of wind as you go up within a few feet in the atmosphere. So you can see this morning we are looking at a break in the activity, and the key in the forecast today is will the sun come out? Because if you see some nice blue sky and sunshine for an extended period of time, that's going to make the atmosphere more unstable. So when that front does arrive, it has more to work with. And if the air is more stable, then we're going to see those storms on the weaker side. So again, we're going to have to monitor how the environment behaves throughout the day. We can see that line of storms. We're thinking after 3 o'clock, and that wraps up by 7 p.m. But then very gusty winds expected as we head into tonight. Looking at your 7-day forecast, we'll look at more winter-like forecast for Friday with scattered flurries, your high 35. 37 with peaks of sunshine on Saturday. It looks like some light snow and rain on Sunday, but probably going to see less than an inch of snow there. And then we're going to see a bit more of a winter-like pattern next week.
I think